Open Google Chrome on your laptop and search install Docker on Mac. So click on the first link. This is a Docker installation documentation. And depending on the chip of your Mac laptop, click on that particular button. This will start downloading of a DMG file for Docker. In my case, my laptop is on running on an Intel chip, hence I'm clicking on this particular button. Go to your download folder. You would be able to find out a docker.tmg file. Just double click on that and select a Docker image and put it into a application. So this will start installation of your Docker binaries. Once Docker is installed, you can click on application folder and you can find the Docker icon. Double click on that Docker icon. It should start our dashboard. First time it will pop up a window which will ask you have downloaded this application from internet and do you want it to open it. Once you click on open it, it will proceed further. Docker desktop requires a special privileged access. So in order to proceed further, you need to click on OK and enter your computer username and password. Once it is done, it will proceed further. And at the top, if you click on Docker and select a dashboard, it will open up a dashboard for you. It will take a couple of minutes to start. Once it is started, you can see the Docker dashboard. Click on images to see existing images present on your laptop. Click on containers to see existing container